पीछे ना पीछे so this is furniture, chair, here also, and bags also.
Bags na.
From Rajamandir prison na? Purify and then give you. During that you give 250 liter RO plant. Don't give quotation that I will manage. You just आप दोनों करेंगे
Thank you, madam. From the village also, sir. Thank you very much. Your cooperation we want again for toilets, girls toilets. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I will welcome Madam C.S. Swaraj Kumar, sir. Our local leaders and
वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभासिनी
అలాగే మన లోకల్ లీడర్స్కి ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ కూడా నా నమస్కారాలు. అలాగే తోటి మన ఓఎన్జీఎస్ వారికి మన అందరం కూడా టీచర్స్ తరఫున థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మాకు ఈ ఫర్నిచర్ ఇచ్చినందుకు ఇంకానే కూడా మాకు కొన్ని టాయిలెట్స్ అలాంటివి ఇస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ మా స్కూల్ అలాగే మా విలేజ్ కూడా డెవలప్
నా కృతజ్ఞతలు సార్. తర్వాత ఇంత మారుమూల గ్రామాన్ని మా టీచర్స్ అంతా మీ దృష్టికి తీసుకురావడం అనేది చాలా మాకు చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది సార్. ఈవేళ మేము మా టీచర్స్ చెప్తుంటే మేము చాలా సంతోషిస్తున్నాం సార్. మాకు ఈ సహకారం చేసినందుకు నిజంగా మన దాకా కూడా ఇక్కడ ఈ స్కూల్లో టీచర్స్ కూర్చోవడానికి బెంచెస్ కానీ కుర్చీ కానీ ఏమి లేవు సార్. కానీ ఈ సహకారంతో ఈవేళ టీచర్స్కే కాదు అలాగే మా పిల్లలకు కూడా ఈ సహాయం చేసినందుకు మేము చాలా సంతోషిస్తున్నాం సార్. మరి ఇక
See, I don't know Telugu, so pardon me, but I hope you all understand English and I will be comfortable in communicating through that only. And it is very amazing to see you people attending school in these COVID times. So hats off to you people. I am from Odisha and our schools are stopped. Like they are not functioning, they are not open. But with all measures, I can see mask on faces of all students, and so very nice to see you guys attending. And I hope that you study good, perform better in your 10th and +2 level, and then do a good job and make your parents proud. And any other help from ONGC, we will try our best to fulfill that, especially that girls toilet issue. Because as per some recent survey, girl students that drop out. The main reason behind that is unavailability of girls toilet. So that is a priority thing that we need to address, and we will be addressing that. In addition to that, if any water issue is there, also these fans and lights, if some issue is there, anything that we can do to make the students feel comfortable and study, we will try our best. Thank you, sir, for approaching ONGC. We are very happy to help you. Thank you, ma'am, for giving ONGC a chance to contribute. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, good afternoon, HM ma'am. Good afternoon, local leaders, and good afternoon, teachers. So, basically, as my colleague just mentioned, that he is very proud, and I am also proud of the fact that the students in this time of COVID, they are pretty much interested in studying, and they have come to school with all the precautions, enhanced precautions. I can see mask on every faces, like he said. So, thank you, students, for coming to school, because you are the future of our nation. So your well-being and your education is of the most importance to not only me but ONGC as an organization. And we also believe that ONGC, although is a oil and natural gas company, but it has its responsibility towards society. And what better responsibility can we have than making students comfortable and making their day-to-day life easy in a school. So, as we mentioned that as I was told by Viraju sir, that there were no benches, no chairs for students to sit. So, this is the basic amenities or basic requirements which a person need in a school to study. So, we have provided that, and hopefully going forward we can provide you with a toilet, which is also a basic necessity, fans, lights. These are basic necessities. We talk about like high-tech schools, we talk about online classes and all, but these basic necessities first has to be met in order for us to go forward. So I hope and I pray that we will be of much help to you. And thank you, sir, for approaching us through Baburao sir. And hopefully you will come to us for more help and in the times to come. And we will definitely provide help whatever we can from our side. And I wish your students all the best for their future, and study hard and make your teachers and your parents proud. Thank you.
ONGC serves all your amenities and toilets for girls, mainly girls. So enjoy your seats, chairs, and futures facilities which is provided by the ONGC. Thank you.
Claps, Dr. Raman. Claps, Dr. Claps. No claps, Dr. Claps.
Thank you.